Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nacho Libre in WWE 2K24. First, navigate to the Creations menu and select Create a Superstar. This is where our journey begins. Choose a male superstar template as your base. Then focus on the body type, aiming for a larger, more powerful build to capture Nacho's iconic physique. We'll ensure he looks ready for the ring, just like in the movie. Next, let's focus on Nacho's distinctive face and hair. Pick a head shape that closely matches his unique features. For his hair, a short, dark style like a buzz cut or a close-cropped look will work perfectly. Don't forget his iconic mustache. A dark, thin mustache is absolutely essential to complete his recognizable appearance. These details truly bring the character to life. Now for his unforgettable attire. Search for a full-face wrestling mask and color it a vibrant light blue. Then, add a striking red trim or design to the mask to make it truly authentic. For his lower body, choose simple wrestling trunks, again in light blue, complemented by red accents. This combination will perfectly replicate his memorable in-ring look from the film. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and define his wrestling style. Set his height to approximately 6 feet, 2 inches, and his weight to around 225 pounds. For his moveset, choose a brawler or power-based style to reflect his unique in-ring approach. This ensures he not only looks like Nacho Libre, but also fights like him, ready to deliver some eagle powers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.